Learn Filipino 1 minute at a time. For this lesson, let's learn some breakfast vocabulary. Coffee,
Kape. Kape.
tea,
Tsaa. Tsaa.
bread,
Tinapay. Tinapay.
butter,
Mantikilya.
or simply
Butter.
milk,
Gatas. Gatas.
sugar,
Asukal. Asukal.
pancake,
Pancake. Pancake.
omelette,
Omelette. Omelette.